This is the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 pistol. First up, I'm just running some CCI mini mag through it. It's the 40 grain, moving at 1235 feet per second. Such a fun little gun. Next up, I got some CCI standard velocity, 40 grain, going 1070 feet per second. All right, let me thread on my suppressor and we'll take some shots suppressed. Got the suppressor threaded on there. It's going to be a Silencer Co. Sparrow 22, great suppressor. First up, I'll run the CCI mini mag through it. It's going to be moving a little quicker, so it'll probably still get a supersonic crack, even though this is just an 8-inch barrel. Yeah, it's still going fast enough to get that crack. This gun is extremely reliable. I love that about this. The only real thing I did was swap out that extractor because I heard people were having issues with these from the factory. So that was a little preventative measure I did, and I've never had any issues with it. Next up, I got the CCI standard velocity. This should be much quieter. Oh yeah. That's so awesome how quiet that is. Sweet. Got another magazine of that CCI standard velocity loaded up. If you got one of these, I think that's the way to go, honestly. It's gonna be the quietest and still be reliable. So fun. I'm going to go over what I've got on this M&P 1522. We'll start at the muzzle. So I've just got a little thread protector on it just to keep the threads nice and protected. And then I do have a Silencer Co. Sparrow 22. And you do need an adapter on these that threads on the end because the threaded part of the barrel is longer than it needs to be to thread into your suppressor. So if you don't have this little adapter right here, there's gonna be a gap and you won't be able to thread your suppressor on all the way. So just keep that in mind. Up top, I've just got a little LPVO, a cheap little Monstrum Banshee. Mine are pretty bad, so that really helps. Like I mentioned in the shooting portion, I've got an upgraded extractor in there. For the pistol grip, I've got the Die-Free Co. Kung Fu grip. I've added some just like hockey tape around it just to thicken it up because it was a little thin for my hand, so I wanted it a little thicker. And then just the SB Tactical A3 brace on the back. Got your controls. Everything's just like an normal AR-15, safe, fire, bolt release, then mag release right here, charging handle. The whole gun is polymer except for the bolt and the barrel. So this thing's gonna be extremely lightweight. Trigger's not too bad, pretty much just like a mil-spec AR trigger. Mine came with one 25 round magazine, but they also have 10 round magazines available as well. The handguard has M-LOK slots if you want to mount anything to it. Overall, this thing's nice and lightweight since it is made completely out of polymer other than the barrel. With the brace collapse, this thing's really nice and compact. And then here's what it looks like with the 25 round mag in it. And then the 10. It's super reliable. I really enjoy shooting this, and I'm really happy with the purchase. So if you're thinking about getting one, go for it. Thanks for watching.